Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to track goals with Notion. So you have to create an account on Notion, go to project, and then here I'm going to add here project tracker. You can add emoji, you can add icon right here, you can change the cover photo if you wanted to. To start, you can just basically type slash, you can add heading, or you can just go directly to the view, for example, table view. Here, what you're going to do is you have to simply add more columns and rows, and it depends on your project tracker right here. So let's just say if you wanted to add something like task name, category, status, priority, assignee, start date, due date, you can just basically add it right here. But I strongly suggest to use one of their templates or Notion templates to make it easier for you. Let's just say for tracker, project tracker right here, you have to look for a project tracker or task tracker like this. And all you need to do is to edit. As you can see, I can now edit the task name. Here you can see that once you tap the status, you can choose not started, in progress, or done. Also, there is another field right here. You need to invite your coworker, your friend, or your teammate by adding their email address. So they need to accept the invitation, then you can tag them or assign a task to them. You can also set due date right here. Just tap and you will see a calendar view. Then you can set a deadline for each task. Also, there are some fields and properties right here. And if you want to add more property, all you have to do is to tap the plus icon. If there are properties or field that are not necessary, you can just basically delete this. And this is how you create a track goals with Notion. You can start from scratch or you can just choose from any of their template right here. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.